I haven't been on vacation since January, so I can really feel that. Like, I'm really stressed and really tired. Physically, I would say more than mentally. So I just decided to take 3 days off of work just to take some rest and relax and focus a bit on myself. So I'm gonna be staying at this co-living space. I honestly have never seen this type of concept in Korea, but they have like from luxurious residences to smaller studios with all amenities plus facilities to use, almost hotel like living spaces where you actually pay rent, where you could stay for a few days if you're coming on a trip, and you can stay for longer if you're living in Korea for a few months to a year or two. So let's do a small tour. I'm taking you guys with me. So this is the entrance where you could put your shoes. And here we have the bathroom, which is absolutely gorgeous. It literally just looks like a 5-star hotel. And then here we have the little kitchenette. We have the sofa here, the washing machine that also works as a dryer, TV, and extra space for storage. This way we have the desk with the bed, and then here we have this huge closet that you actually have more storage under the bed. Honestly, it's definitely on the pricier side, but when I did the math, basically everything is included in the rent, like electricity, gas, and water fee. Everything is included in your rent, and you also get to use the gym. Honestly, for this quality of room and interior and everything, it's actually not that bad. Done.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Single spot is relatively easy to search. The bathroom requires someone sticking their head under the stall. The room it's like a small room, and if you step inside and you close that door behind you, who was there with you? Who was there with your daughter when you guys left to go get your other kid from school?
You guys, I've been the laziest these past 2 days, but this is my second day in a row that I'm taking a nap, and it just feels so good. It just makes me remember how I miss taking naps. Even if I sleep well and I wake up like not tired, I can easily take a nap. I did sleep really well, like so comfortable and really quiet. So honestly, this is just a reminder that you deserve to take some rest sometimes, and that is completely okay. We're only human.